Okay. Converting between rational exponents and radical notation. We're going to do a lot of this. If you have 3 to the 1/3, m to the 8/3, this is the cube root of 3 to the 1 power. This is the cube root of m to the 8th power. Properties of radicals, so because the indices are the same, you can multiply them together. That's the cube root of 3m to the 8th. So if I want to go to, and this is primarily what we do, go from radical notation to exponent notation, you notice that's what's being raised to the 5th power is this whole thing. So it's going to be 4 times. This is the 7th root, so the denominator is 7 and the numerator is 5. So this is the index, and that is the exponent. On the radicand. And the exponent on the radicand. So in this case, this whole thing is being raised to the 2/5 power. So what's under the radical is 2x. That's what's being raised to the 2/5. The denominator is 5, so that's the index. The numerator is 2, so that's the power. Now this is a little different. The only thing being raised is the x. This is negative 2 times x to the 2/5 power. So this is what's under the radical. It's just the x. The negative 2 stays to the outside because it's multiplying that radical. So the index is going to be 5, that's your denominator, and the power is going to be 2. We do less of that than we do this guy. Now what's under the radical is 7x to the 1. So this is 2 times the cube root of 7x to the 1 power. So it's 7x. The numerator is 1. The denominator is 3. And it's going to be multiplied by 2. Again, here your radicand is a squared plus b squared to the 1. The index is 2. So it's going to be a squared plus b squared. That's the radicand. It's raised to the 1 power. The index is 2, so it's 1/2.